We disabled your account 2026. How to recover disabled Instagram account. Instagram ban problem. Did you see the message, "We disabled your account" on Instagram? Don't worry. Here's how to recover your account step by step. Step 1. Check the reason for the disable message. Instagram usually disables accounts for violating community guidelines, suspicious activity or spam, using third-party apps or bots, fake identity, or repeated reports. Read the message carefully to understand the cause. Step 2. Submit an appeal form. Open the Instagram login screen, tap Learn More or Request Review. Fill in your name, email, and phone number. Upload an ID verification if requested. Submit the form. This is the official way to request account recovery. Step 3. Verify your identity. Instagram may ask for a selfie verification video, a code written on paper with your name, government ID, passport or national ID. Complete the verification exactly as instructed. Step 4. Wait for Instagram response. Review usually takes 24 hours to a few days. Check your email, including your spam folder, for updates. Avoid sending multiple appeals repeatedly. Step 5. Avoid future bans. Do not use automation or follower bot apps. Avoid posting copyrighted or harmful content. Follow Instagram community guidelines. Final summary. Open login, request review, submit verification, wait for response. This is the safest and official method to recover a disabled Instagram account in 2026.